I will now tell you in a very simple terms what a 529 plan is, or rather 529 plan is. A 529 plan is a type of savings plan designed to specifically to help people save money for education expenses. It's named after Section 529 of the Internal Revenue Code, which created these plans. Here's a simple explanation, and this is a very simple explanation. A 529 plan allows individuals to save money for future education costs such as college tuition, fees, room and board, and other related expenses. These plans are typically sponsored by state agencies, or educational institutions, and they offer tax advantages to encourage saving for education. There are two main types of 529 plans: prepaid tuition plan and education saving plan. Prepaid tuition plans allow you to pay for tuition at today's rates, while education saving plan allow you to invest money in various investment options such as mutual funds and withdraw it tax-free for qualified education expenses. One of the key benefits of a 529 plan is that your earnings grow tax-free, meaning you won't have to pay federal taxes on investment gains as long as the money is used for qualified educational expenses. Additionally, some states offer state tax reductions or credits for contributions to their 529 plans. Overall, a 529 plan is a tax advantage way to save education expenses, providing families with a flexible and efficient way to prepare for cost of higher education. Now, I tell you this, it is so much more than this what I've provided in the last 2 minutes. If you want a more detailed explanation, please drop me a line and I will do that for you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.